Today we're going to be reviewing a wine from a movie that is probably one of my favorite all-time movies. The movie's Sideways, where two quirky characters, Jack and Miles, take a road trip down to Santa Barbara, California for a bachelor weekend where they get into so much mischief. The bottle of wine that I'm going to be reviewing is called the Hitching Post Pinot Noir Highliner. It's a 2018 wine that is served in the movie, and in particular there's a scene where Jack has taken Miles, or I can't remember if Miles took Jack. In any case, they're at the bar and they're being poured this wine, and Maya, a particular waitress, sits down and joins them for a glass as well. That scene is where most of the shenanigans start. According to winemaker notes, the flavors that I'm supposed to detect and aromas are deep fruit, spice, and earthiness. Now, what in the heck is earthiness supposed to taste like? Dirt? In any case, I am going to see if I can detect any of that, and I'll let you know what I think. Here we go. So after tasting this wine, I definitely did detect a bouquet of deep fruit. It's not quite jammy. It's more like a light aroma of raspberries, strawberries, maybe even some plum, sweet plum, and some honey. I don't really smell too much of the earthiness, but I do detect some spice. In any case, this is a delicious wine, and I definitely recommend you giving this a go. Now sit back and relax, and I will share with you once again a little history about this winery and the wine. And in particular, I might show some of my most favorite clips from the movie Sideways. So please stay tuned. Coming from the perspective of the restaurant owner, Sideways for us started in 1998 as Rex Pickett, writer of the novel Sideways, would often hang out at our bar on his visits here from Southern California. He said he was writing a book about our region, its wines, wineries, restaurants, and people. He said the bartender and a waitress were in it. I, being somewhat of a skeptic, didn't believe it would ever be published. Boy, was I wrong. Only in June of 2003 did we realize that Sideways would be a movie as location scouts began to comb the Santa Ynez Valley. Rex really had written a novel, and that manuscript had been picked up by director Alexander Payne. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and most importantly comment below and let me know your thoughts. And please let me know if there are any recommendations of wine you would like me to taste and review. And if you do, awesome. I will definitely do that, and you most likely, if you're the lucky person, see your wine recommendation in the next video. Thanks again, and as always, here's to tasting wine.